I'm going to give you the rundown really quickly on significant figures, otherwise known as sig figs. So normally we get hit with all of this stuff, and it's like, man, really? Because it's really a lot more simple than that. Sig figs is all the figures, all the digits, all the numbers, except two things. Any beginning zeros, 0.016 just has this 16 that counts, so that's 2 sig figs. And here's beginning zeros, 0.0160. The 160 counts, you just don't count the beginning zeros. So that's 3 sig figs. And then the only time you don't count the end zeros is when you have no decimal. So 1020 is just going to be these numbers. You just don't count the end zeros because there's no decimal. So that's 3 sig figs. If it was 1000 or 102.0, there's a decimal there, right? So that would be 4 sig figs. So the only time you do not count the numbers is all the beginning zeros, and only when there's no decimal, you just don't count the end zeros. And that is it, which is so much better and an easier way to describe it than all of these. I mean, please do read these rules. You're supposed to. But when you read these rules, you realize it's saying it way too complicated, because these are all pointing to the same 2 rules. Only 2 rules. No beginning zeros and no ending zeros if no decimal. That's it. Everything else counts.